we will discuss about hot working process. What is hot working process? What is hot working? Hot working is a metal forming process in which by plastic deformation we used to get a desired shape above the recrystallization temperature of the metal, and due to change in structure there will be formation of new grains, and mechanical properties like elasticity, ductility, elongation, stiffness will be improved. There are several types of hot working process. One by one we will discuss. So, first one is hot rolling. Hot rolling is a rapid metal forming process which is done in plastic deformation of metal in between rolls. In this process, what happen? There is two rolls, this one and this one. Okay. So metal at its plastic state, metal in plastic state is given here in between these two rolls. So here it is original, grain structure is original, but here it is recrystallization take place. Okay. So hot metal piece used to pass between two rolls, and due to this its length increases but thickness decreases. This thickness decreases, length increases. Okay. So these two rolls and the housing in which they are mounted, it's called stand. Okay. So there are several type of hot rolling process, hot rolling mill you can say. So in that, if one stand place in front of another stand, one stand place in front of another stand, then it is called continuous mill. If there is bottom and top, this is top and this is bottom, these two rolls are there, in this case it is called two high mill. In case of three, means top one roll, middle one roll and bottom one roll, three. In that case it is called three high mill. In case of four, it is called four high mill. Okay. And if there is two rolls, there are total two rolls that are in smaller dia, and there will be a four backup rolls of larger diameter, then this type of arrangement is called cluster mill. Okay. So basically aluminum, manganese, different grades of steel are used in this process for hot working. Okay. And where the uses in construction, railroad, truck, automobile sector, automobile, different type of parts, manufacturing of this type of parts, this hot rolling is used. So now we can move to piercing. So piercing also a hot working process. Now this is the piercing or seamless tubing. Piercing and seamless tubing it is produced seamless tubing, which is unnatural and by which it can made thin tube like part. And this process hot piercing is consist of what happened, the billet, heated hot piercing consists of hot rolled billet. This hot rolled billet used to pass, okay, between these two conical section, okay, and this is the mandrel. So what happened, and it used to pass between this conical section and this mandrel used to pushed here. So this mandrel is pushed here, okay. So it used to make this seamless tubing, okay. It reduced the drilling and boring operation, and if further finishing required, then it can be passed through a size dice, okay.